Hello, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. The spending freeze is over for a bit. So I went to Dollar Tree to see what was going on there, and this is what I got. And there's a few things that you probably have seen already, and at the end I will show you what my Dollar Tree was offering. Well, it was a Dollar Tree, a town next to me, so I went ahead and picked up these containers, one in green and one in orange for Halloween. So I thought that was really good to have for Halloween. So I like them because you can embellish the top and then just put some goodies in there, especially in a swap. So I picked those up. I picked these jars up because you guys, if you follow me, you know that I like to decorate the tops, the lids of these. And I also like to use planner stickers for the bottom area here. And the planner stickers work perfect on these jars. So they had these gold ones, and they also had ones with spider webs. So I wasn't, since you know, maybe I should have picked it up because of the spider webs, but I'll probably go back. I'm definitely going back because I have a few things that I missed during my taping, and I took my little one and he just basically had me on my toes. So I was more focused on him than what I was filming. So I picked up 2 of those jars. Next, I came across some Halloween items, and I came across these foam bones, and yeah, I don't think they offered these last year because a lot of stuff last year was very, I don't know, I'm not sure if I missed it. I might have missed it because of the lockdown and stuff, but yeah, I thought these were really good to have for packaging, just to have them scattered in a box, or you can also tie them up and do a cross and put them in your embellishments. So I picked up a lot of this ribbon, you guys, so there's tons of this ribbon. I only picked up 1 of each, but last year I wasn't able to get to the pink one of these, so that was gifted to me by Crafting Con Cruise, which I was so grateful to get. I picked up green, purple, and black, and also some of, you know, these are reoccurring ones. This is the gold and black, this is the purple glittered, and then this is the orange glittered, and then this one right here is the black glitter, so it's black on black, that one. So I really like these. Another one is the orange with the splatter on it, and it's a lot different from this here. So here is the orange and black, which is a reoccurring one. So I picked those up. So all of these right here. So these go together right here, these 2. I'm going to put them to the side. And then these 3 go together. And then these 4 go together. So I'm really happy about these. I was able to snag some of these, so very happy to play with those. I picked up some ribbon, and this is the bat, and it's just black bats with a white background, and I believe it's wire, as well as this one, and it's the same deal, the plastic edges. This is Happy Halloween, and it has the spider with the web and in orange, so pretty colors for Halloween. Picked up those, and then these stickers right here. You will see these stickers at the end of these videos. These stickers are new. I haven't seen them. I could be wrong, or just maybe new to my area, because we do get new things late. So I'm not sure if these are new or not. I haven't seen them before, but I may have missed a Dollar Tree haul from someone else's channel. Here are these ones right here, and these ones are really neat right here. I can see these on like vintage Halloween as well as steampunk Halloween, but I wanted to pick them up so you guys can see. So let me go ahead and open it. Yeah, very vintagey, very dark, very steampunk Halloween. So yeah, look at that cat, evil little cat. So they're kind of like similar in texture, both of these. And yeah, these will be definitely gifted because I don't use this type, but I love gifting new things, so I wanted to get that. So let's go ahead and see what's next. I picked up 2 of these because they never have the blue, and I thought this would go good with Hey Pumpkin, along with some maybe orange or black. So I got 2 of those. I picked up these. These are kind of similar to the Daiso ones, except they're a little bit shorter. I'm not sure if they have the same amount of thread or not, but let's go ahead and open it and see. It's basically for friendship bracelets, but you know what we're gonna do is make some tassels with these. These I will be gifting out though, but I love all the colors. Very bright, very summery. I love it. So the only thing that's missing is the pastel pink. So they do have this coral color there. So definitely will be gifting these to my swap partners. So I got those. Next, I picked up these folders here because I have a few dies that I have in a similar folder. However, I like this one because if you open it up, it has tabs. And so that way I could go ahead and use my Sharpie, and then I could put my dies in here. So I grabbed 2 of these. This is just temporary until I could figure out what I'm gonna do for my dies, because I only have a few. I don't have a lot, but mainly my design team dies. Yeah, so that is my haul. And I also picked up some of these mailers. So these are just big giant mailers that I use because they're very inexpensive. And so that is my haul, you guys. Stay tuned for the end to see more of what's in Dollar Tree for Halloween and fall, as well as back to school. So I do have just a few clips in the end that I thought was good to show. And you guys stay tuned. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. So here's some back to school items, some pencil boxes, some binders. Here's a journal that I thought that was nice to show. It's just one of those black journals. There's some paper trays, some folders, as well as some pencil cases and some notebooks. Also some pencil holders that I found. I'm sure you've seen this before. I just wanted to show you guys what I was looking at. Here are my folders that I picked up, which I will be using for my dies. Here are some more pencil cases, as well as this black one. It's jet black. And I did also see a purple one later, which I will show you, but I thought it was great for Halloween. Here is some keychains, and I thought this was so cute because it's a little pouch and it's just a mermaid tail. So here's some your general back to school items that are mainly always there year round. And here are the purple cases that I thought would go very good with Halloween as well. Here are some pencil cases, but this one right here, this Halloween one, I thought would go good for Halloween. And these little tins, I thought they were great also to alter the top and send some bits and bobs to your swap partner. Moving on to fall, here is the fall section at my Dollar Tree, and I thought it was such a cute little section, especially these foxes. Look how adorable these foxes are. I thought they would go great with garden party. They're so cute. We have some pumpkins and as well as some fur pumpkins, so made out of cloth. I loved the pink one. I picked it up and then showed you. How cute are these miniature pumpkins? We could just take them off of the stems and just add them to our projects. I just loved them. They were also made of cloth. Here's a little bit more of some back to school. Here's what's going on for Halloween. I did slow the camera down because I noticed I went a little too fast. However, I didn't notice the brooms. Do you see them on the right hand side? I should have picked some up. I see some witch hats as well, which I would have loved to have. Here are the stickers that I picked up. Look at those ghost stickers. I didn't realize how cute they were until after I seen this video. And I picked up the skulls, then I picked up those right there. Yeah, I love the witch hats. If you can see, here are the bones. There's still some skulls from previous years. These are the tools that I picked up. You can see several colors in different textures. And if you can see to the left, there are some glittered ribbon. And here are some Halloween bows, which I haven't seen with the skull in the middle. So they do have different colors, the orange, the purple, and the black. There's some bats, some spiders from previous years, and different colors. Now, oh, look at those flowers. Those flowers were neat. I should have grabbed one. We're going to pan over to some fall, and here's some more fall here. Did you see that pumpkin box? I thought that was cute. Here are some pumpkins, some hay, some stickers. Moving on to some other items, here are some notepads, also some list pads, as well as some writing pads and journals. And so I just show you a few. Here's a doodle journal, which I thought was neat. I love to doodle sometimes when I'm just sitting around. So I thought that was neat to show. Here's some macaroons. I thought that was very colorful. And here are some mouse pads. I thought that was neat as well. So I do pick that up to show you. So just mouse pads that you can write on, keep your mouse on. Here is a pencil holder to a box one. Also this fuzzy pin, it's so colorful, reminds me of Rainbow Bright. Here are some decorative pins. This area is usually found year-round, and so I thought I'd go over and see what was there. I saw these shadow boxes. I also saw some more notepads and some pencil cases, which are very great to use for swapping. I do show a few or two. I thought these pins were really neat, especially the pinwheel made out of acetate, and it's colorful, as well as these cats with some glasses. I thought they were really neat and in all the colors that we love. So I wanted to show you that. And this is also where I found the thread. I thought the unicorn was a nice little piece, as well as the rainbow. And this is where I leave you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed my Dollar Tree haul, as well as shop with me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.